In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay QuickBooks invoices with a credit card. If you're using QuickBooks to manage your business finances, you'll find that paying invoices with a credit card is a straightforward process once you have everything set up properly. Let's dive into the steps to make it happen. To begin, you'll need to head over to the QuickBooks website. If you haven't signed up yet, you'll want to create an account first. Having an account is necessary to access all the features QuickBooks has to offer, including invoice payments. If you already have an account, simply click on Sign In to log into QuickBooks Online. Next, enter your account credentials and be sure to click I'm not a robot to complete the security check. Once you've passed this step, click Continue. Once you're logged in, locate the company file you want to work with. This is where all your transactions and records are stored. Click on this file to open it. If you have multiple company profiles, make sure you choose the correct one. Then go to the QuickBooks dashboard. Here, click on the Settings option found at the upper right corner of the page. From the Settings menu, select Account and Settings. This is where you can manage how you interact financially using QuickBooks. The next step is crucial for enabling credit card payments. Click on Payments in the Account and Settings menu. This section allows you to set up how you accept payments from your clients. You'll need to click Activate Payments if it's not already done. Activating payments will establish QuickBooks as your payment processor, allowing you to accept credit card transactions on your invoices. Once the payment system is set up, you will then see an option to set up payments to enable credit card payments. Click on it, and then click Save and Continue. As part of the setup, you'll be guided through a series of highlights and prompts which will ensure all necessary information is input correctly. When you are prompted to type, ensure all your financial details are accurate to avoid any future issues. When the activation process is concluded, you'll be able to add a Pay Now button to your invoices. While creating an invoice, make sure the credit card option is checked under Payment Methods. This step will provide your customers a seamless experience when they receive the invoice. They'll see an option to pay via credit card immediately, which simplifies the process for both you and your client. That's it. You have successfully learned how to pay QuickBooks invoices using a credit card. With this process set up, you'll find managing transactions more efficient, keeping both your business and your clients satisfied.